Go. That was fast as shit.
Yeah, it was. Hey. Wait.
Nice.
I like the first one or two. Then we can see what they're like.
Can you see him, Mike? Is that a no? Sweet.
We're good to go? Cross that, baby!
Actually, some nice shells. Yeah.
You get it?
That was a waste of time.
Alright, Dad.
Right?
Go on. Oh, I just need a... No, not them yet. I'm just gonna hit this one here.
You gonna pull one up?
I got it. I got it.
Go ahead.
Ready for one?
We'll pull one up.
Oh, you locked it, you bastard.
Safety. Is that much distance?
Yeah! That was the one that was straight black match. Nice!